Hello everybody, today I will show you how to create horse race game. So after you log in the app, you will see the create game button. Click on it. It will open the create game form. First you need to select event. After that, please select the course on which you will play the game. Let's select task arrowhead. Now add the game name. Let's add horse race. Test. Select the game type as horse race. Now we need to select the date and time for the game when it will start. Now after that you will see the options to configure the bet per match values, score pool values, chunk pool values and bonus point for match win. Okay, after that you need to select the game thumbnail which will be displayed on the listing page. Now let's click on save game. Okay, after saving the game you will see the two buttons here in the detail page. Tab for group selection, tab for across foursome teams. So let's click on tab for group selection button. It will take you the edit game page. Here you need to select the groups, all the 2 players team groups. Just click on done. It is by default selected. You can unselect any of the group as per your requirement and then click on done after verifying. Now it will generate the matches according to the group. The group 1 and group 2 playing the high-low match, and then group 7-8 versus group 12 and 13 is playing high-low games. It will generate matches for all the groups, high-low games, Saccharin Bucket and Chapman. Okay, now click on done after verifying. Now select the game team. So here you need to select 4 groups for each player, 3 groups as winner and 1 group as a loser. So let's select groups for each player. So for that one, let's select group 1, group 2, group 3 and group 4. Group 1 as winner, 2 as winner, 3 as winner, 4 as a loser. Select done. After done, you will see on the right side of the page the selected group with the mark as a winner or a loser. Now let's go with the task 2 player. Let's continue selecting groups. Winner, winner, loser and winner. Let's select groups for all the players. Okay, so we have selected groups for all the players. So that's one is owner for group 1, 2, 3 and 4. After selecting all the groups, click on the save game button. Now your configuration is completed. you can now start at scoring. Let's go to foursome 1. Let's confirm the bet per match, squad pool, junk pool and other, and the scorekeeper. Let's click on done. Okay, now you will see 27 holes as per the rules for the horse race game. Let's start at scoring on the hole 1. Now you can see the task 1 and task 2 playing versus task 3 and task 4 on the top left side. You can see the green marks which indicates the stroke has been applied for this player. Okay, let's go to next hole. Let's add score and keep going. So the winning group will get 1 point as a team in the hole. You can check leaderboard in between and check the score points. Okay, now the high-low game is finished. Now we are on the 10th hole, which means the sucker in bucket. Now here there is a rule that only one player's score will be used. So the player can define whose score will be used to calculate the point. So you will see the use score switcher here. So let's add score. Now per team you can select one player only to use score. So in general case, the player with the low stroke, their score will be used. So here I'm switching on for task 1 player, the use score switcher. Okay, now you can also switch between players. Now here let's enable yes for the task 3 player. Now click on save. Let's go to next hole. Okay, now here you will see the used label. It says 1. That means this player's score has been used once previously in this match, in the SIB match. Okay, so you can see how many times the player's score has been used, so you can know you can strategically use your decision. You cannot save the hole without adding score or making the use score switcher on without it. Okay, let's click on next. Let's continue at scoring. So I have completed adding score for sucker in bucket game. Let's go to the 19th hole that starts the Chapman game. So in the Chapman game there is only single ball to play with 2 players, so you can only add single score for per team. So here it will show all the 4 players, but when you try to add a score for group task 1 and task 2, let's add a score. You can see the score is changing for both players, so the same score will be used to calculate the points. Okay, so let's start adding the score. Let me finish. So I have added a score for all the holes. Now let's finish the foursome one to generate the result for this foursome. Okay, after finishing the foursome, you will redirect it to result page and you will see all the foursomes whose matches are completed. Now when you click on it, the foursome one, you will see the result page. Now here there are a couple of marks, like the green dots here indicates the handicap, the stroke that has been applied for this player. Okay, on the first 9 hole, and then after the 10th hole you will see the blue dot that indicates that this player score is used in this particular hole. Okay, right, so this is the additional UI part in this horse race game. Now you can check all the points and the strokes, handicaps, score chunk, and the sum of it at the end, and below the winners of the foursome, the chunk winners and the foursome winners. Now let's click on the summary page for the within foursome winners. Now here you will see the summary page for this foursome for the match 1, match 2 and match 3, which player has more points and the dollar value, and below you will see the payment settlement, which player the task 1 pays task 3 player $5. Okay, now here is the chunk winner. You will see the chunk winner, the player name with the total made chunk and the missed and the total dollar value of that chunk. +5 indicates that T2 is winning the chunk pool worth $5, and the below is the settlement, the payment for the chunk. Now there is no score summary because we haven't marked any score in this game. Otherwise you will see the score summary as well as a chunk summary and the winner. Now in the ledger page you will see the foursome. Now let's click on the task 1 player. So task 1 player needs to pay $1 to 4, $9 to task 2 player, and task 3 needs to pay task 1 player $3. You can click on pay now button to view the detail. Here chunk and $3 for the match 1 and match 3, Chapman and Hilo. Okay, you can click on PayPal button and pay. Okay, that's it for it. Thank you for watching.